Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you that Falling Water TV series start and now 2023. Let's start the video. First of all in this list is Spady Murphy, roleplay as Alexis Simmons. Date of birth is 18 September 1985 and age is 37 years old. Actress Anna Ward, roleplay as the woman in red. Date of birth is 30 December 1985 and age is 37 years old. Next is Jodie Long, roleplay as Kumiko. Date of birth is 7 January 1954 and age is 69 years old. Next is Jack Off, roleplay as Bill Bond. Date of birth is 15 October 1970 and age is 52 years old. Next is Kay Lennox, roleplay as Woody Hammond. Date of birth is 10 October 1977 and age is 45 years old. Next is Will Yu Lee, roleplay as Taka. Date of birth is 22 March 1931 and age is 52 years old. Next is Lizzie Broche, roleplay as Tess. Date of birth is 22 March 1985 and age is 38 years old. Next is David Atala, roleplay as Bruton. Date of birth is 21 May 1986 and age is 37 years old. So friends, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.